Welcome to Nuance Art. In today's video, we'll explore the perfect harmony between modern outdoor design and the raw beauty of nature through 2025's top small garden ideas. Imagine a serene oasis right in your backyard, lush greens, sculpted rock formations, and sleek minimalist features coexisting in peaceful unity. This isn't just landscaping, it's art you can live in. Whether you have a small patio, a compact courtyard, or a tiny urban space, the right combination of modern elements and natural textures can transform it into a rock paradise. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite garden style. We'd love to hear your thoughts and help you bring these ideas to life. Start your garden transformation by embracing the natural textures that rocks and stones offer. In 2025, garden design leans heavily on earth-inspired elements like river stones, volcanic rocks, and slate slabs to provide both structure and contrast. The key is balance, using rocks not just for their durability, but for their aesthetic value. Arrange them to create pathways, seating borders, or layered elevations that mimic natural topography. Pair smooth pebbles with coarse granite or porous lava rock to create visual interest and tactile contrast. This foundation sets the tone for a garden that feels grounded and organic, yet modern in composition. Keep lines clean but not too perfect. Let nature lead. Plants are the life of any garden, but in a modern outdoor aesthetic, form matters as much as function. Think topiary shrubs, ornamental grasses, and compact trees with sculpted silhouettes. 2025 trends favor greenery that holds its shape and complements structured rock layouts. Japanese boxwood, dwarf olives, and ferns add rich green tones without overwhelming small spaces. Use hedges and bush shapes to echo the geometric rhythm of your hardscape design. This interplay of sharp edges and soft foliage creates a pleasing tension, lush but contained, natural but curated. Choose slow-growing species for easy maintenance, and position them strategically to emphasize open space and movement. Incorporating water features into your small garden doesn't mean installing a massive pond. In 2025, it's all about compact, elegant water installations, small cascading fountains, reflective pools, or hidden recirculating streams that dance between rocks. These elements are not only a visual focus, but also a soothing auditory backdrop. Pair dark basalt fountains with surrounding succulents or moss to create an eco-modern contrast. Use water to define zones or to soften the harshness of stone elements. With solar-powered pumps and minimalist basins, modern water features can be both sustainable and stunning. The result? A tranquil retreat that engages all your senses, even in the smallest corners. color plays a huge role in the atmosphere of your garden. The palette of a modern natural garden in 2025 draws from subtle earth tones, shades of green, gray, taupe, and sand dominate. Let plants bring in the green, and let rocks, pavers, and furnishings deliver the neutral balance. Charcoal slate tiles, sandy pebbles, and rust-colored planters create a warm, grounded look that feels both modern and timeless. Accents of terracotta or muted blues can bring in contrast without breaking the natural aesthetic. These muted palettes create a cohesive feel, allowing your plants and textures to shine without overwhelming the senses. When space is tight, vertical gardens offer an innovative solution. In 2025, these lush, wall-mounted ecosystems are not only space-saving, but also visually striking. Use them to soften bare walls, define privacy zones, or add height to flat landscapes. Modular vertical planters, metal mesh frames, and stackable containers can host a variety of low-maintenance plants like ferns, succulents, or trailing vines. Combined with natural stone or reclaimed wood backdrops, green walls serve as living art pieces. Their vertical structure mirrors modern architecture, while their lush texture connects you back to nature. It's a perfect union of urban sleekness and untamed life. lush rock garden is complete without a place to pause and reflect. Create a Zen-inspired corner using smooth gravel, solitary boulder, and a simple bench or cushion seat. These quiet areas offer mindfulness opportunities, spaces where you can unplug, breathe, and recharge. Add subtle details like bamboo screens, minimal lanterns, or a single bonsai tree. The Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, beauty and imperfection, can guide your choices here. Keep it sparse, intentional, and tactile. Even the smallest balcony can become a sanctuary with the right layout and elements. In 2025, luxury isn't loud, it's found in moments of stillness and simplicity. As day fades, your garden should evolve. Modern garden lighting in 2025 is all about subtlety and drama. Use hidden LED strip lights under stone edges, soft uplighting for trees, and warm ground lights along pathways to create a glowing, moonlit ambience. The interplay of light and shadow can amplify textures, highlighting the grain of a wood bench, the curve of a stone path, or the softness of moss. Solar-powered fixtures and motion sensors help keep the energy footprint low while maintaining safety and allure. Your garden doesn't disappear at night. It transforms into a dreamscape of golden light and calming hues. outdoor furniture should complement your lush green rock paradise, not clutter it. In 2025, sleek, low-profile designs with natural materials take center stage. Teakwood benches, concrete stools, and rattan loungers blend comfort with modern form. Choose multifunctional pieces like built-in seating, collapsible tables, or stone planters that double as benches. The aim is to maintain flow and openness. Keep the palette aligned with your garden's natural tones: sand, beige, forest green, and ash gray. Whether you're lounging solo with a book or entertaining guests under the stars, your outdoor furniture should feel like a seamless extension of the landscape. Your dream garden doesn't need acres of land, just a vision and a bit of inspiration. As we've seen today, the 2025 trend of modern outdoor aesthetics meeting natural elements offers stunning possibilities for any space. With thoughtful placement of rocks, greenery, and minimal furnishings, even the smallest plot can become a lush green rock paradise. Let your outdoor space be an escape, a statement, and a sanctuary. If you found these ideas inspiring, subscribe to Nuance Art, like this video, and drop a comment about which idea you'd love to try. Until next time, keep creating beauty, one garden at a time.